What is the Tort Claims Act in the state of Mississippi? Hi, I'm Kevin Runlett. Today we're talking about tort claims, explaining what that means, when it comes into effect, and how that might impact your legal case. Today we're talking about tort claims. What is tort claims first of all? Well, if someone causes an injury and they are related to a governmental entity, meaning a postal worker hits someone, or a city worker runs into somebody in a car wreck, or if the defendant in the case is any way related to the government, then it's probably going to fall under the Tort Claims Act. Now, what does this mean? Well, the legislature enacted the Tort Claims Act to provide any governmental entity some qualified immunity, meaning partial immunity, means that the case is going to be a little bit more difficult to navigate than a normal civil case against a non-governmental entity. So what has to happen with a tort claims case? Well, if the government's involved, then within generally a year, you have to notify that governmental agency and several other governmental related parties that you have a claim. It has to be a detailed explanation of what your damages are, what you're seeking, what the liability is, and they have a certain amount of time to respond to that before you're even allowed to file a lawsuit. The purpose of that is really to try to get people to negotiate, not tie up the government in lawsuits, but generally that 90 days will pass and you will have to file a lawsuit and fight the claim. What else does this mean? Well, with a Tort Claims Act, generally you're not entitled to have a jury hear your case. So a judge who sits in the county where the incident happened will hear the case by himself. This can cause problems. It certainly causes some questions as to whether that judge can be impartial, but it's just one of the issues that you have to face if you have a Tort Claims Act or an injury situation where a governmental entity was involved. So in a nutshell, tort claims means government's involved with an injury case, a liability case, and that's what it means. So hopefully this answers some questions that you may have about this. If you have any more, feel free to leave comments below, give us a call. We're happy to hear your story, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.